Hey everyone, AKM is here, and welcome to Directory's Quick Setup Guide series. In this episode, we will walk you through the entire installation and setup process of directories. By the end of this video, your directory website will be fully installed and ready for customization. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, then navigate to Plugin, Add New. In the search bar, type Directories. You will see the official plugin by WP-Wax. Click install now, and once it's installed, click activate. Once activated, the directory setup wizard will appear automatically. This wizard helps you configure essential pages, maps, and demo data with just a few clicks. In the first step, select the directory type you are building, whether it's a business directory, a classified platform, or something else. You can choose either a single or multiple directory type in this step. Select up to 5 directory type, then click next. In step 2, add your location from the map, such as Los Angeles, California, and then click next. Step 3 lets you enable monetization if you plan to charge as user for submitting or featuring listings. This option can be managed later through the pricing plan extension. For now, you can choose to allow it or skip this step. For payment method, both bank transfer and PayPal are available. In the final step, you can import demo content for a quick start. This includes sample listing, categories, and pages. Perfect for exploring the layout before adding your own content. Then click Submit and Launch to finalize your directory. And that's it. You have successfully installed and set up directories. From here, you can either visit the dashboard or go straight to your home page to preview your directory. And that's how you install and set up directories, quick and simple. In the next video, we will set up your home page and navigation menu to make your site exactly look like the way you want. Don't forget to subscribe and check the documentation link in the description below for more details.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.